Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
The government is going to issue a corrigendum whereby the new Motor Vehicle Act will be implemented from 1st of May, not the 16th of April. And this intervening period from day after tomorrow, we are going to use to bring about an awareness about the implementation of the new Motor Vehicle Act, wherein all the ADTs are going to be instructed to hold programs in their respective jurisdiction, whether it is the general public, whether it is the college students, whether it is the youth, to educate them on not breaking the traffic rules. The simple narrative is going to be, you don't break the law, you don't break the traffic rule, there is no question of paying fine. We had delayed the implementation because the repair of roads was not taken up in due earnest by the government because of various factors, because of the pandemic, before that heavy rains and all that. Now that the repair of the roads in all over Goa, as the Honorable Chief Minister announced, is being undertaken on a war footing, is being undertaken as to improve the roads in entire Goa. We have to implement this long overdue Motor Vehicle Act.